This video will show you how to add more fonts to the font library that you have in Google Docs. Most of the time when you open Google Docs, the default font is Arial. When you click the drop-down menu, you get to see the fonts you have used recently, and then if you scroll down, you're going to see all the other fonts that are available to you in your Google Doc font library. If you want to get more fonts, for example, fonts that are larger and bolder for some display purposes, or if you want fonts that look like handwriting, cursive writing, script, click on the drop-down menu and then click on More Fonts. This opens up a new window. On the right side, you will see all the fonts that have been added to your font library previously. And on the left side, when you scroll, you can see all the other fonts that are available for you to add to your font library. If you know the name of a specific font, you can click in the search box and type the name in to find it. There are also certain filters on the top and a way of sorting the fonts. Scripts is just a name of a bunch of languages, and when you click on a language, it just shows you the script for that language. This is not a translator. So for example, since I have picked Arabic, and if I decide to pick the font called Cairo, Cairo is now added to my font library, and I click OK. Cairo is the font that is now available, and even though I clicked the script Arabic, when I come to the Google Doc and I type something, it is still going to be in English. It is not going to be translated. The other options you have for filtering and sorting is this one over here that says Show All Fonts. When you click on it, you can take a look at the display type of fonts, which are bigger and bolder. If you go to handwriting, the fonts tend to look more like handwriting, cursive writing, and more decorative writing. Monospace resembles the old-time typewriter type of fonts. You can also sort by popularity, alphabetical order, the date added, and trending. When you find the font that you like, you can click on it and it automatically gets added to your library. So for display, I am going to add this one. So it is now added to my library. For handwriting, I am going to add a few of them and then click OK. When I go back to my font drop-down menu, I can now see all the different fonts that I added. So this is how you can add fonts to your Google Doc font library. If you want to remove any of the fonts that you've added, you can go to More Fonts and go to the X that is next to the name of the font and click. This will get rid of the font. You can then click OK and come back and check. If by any chance that font is still showing within your drop-down menu, you can always refresh the document and it will be gone after that. I hope this video helps you add some fun fonts to your Google Docs.